Hi guys, you're welcome to the Anthony's Family Show. Alright, it's just me and mommy in the house right now. The boys are inside, so guess what we're doing? We're about to take you guys along on certain very special things that you guys are gonna see. So watch this video to the end so that you will see something interesting. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, and share so that you can share some goodies to your friends as well.
And don't forget to join our membership.
Yeah, you can join the membership. Amazing stuff for our members. So guys, if you want to do a super chat, it helps the channel, you know.
My head don't roll.
But that's not the plan for today. The plan for today is what I'm about to show you. Look right there. You can see what mom is holding.
Yes.
You can see what mom is holding. So guys, we are kind of like harvesting. We felt like we wanted to eat this. So you're going to see, I think we're going to make another video of what we used this to make as well. So watch this, then you understand. So let's get into today's video. Let's get it. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, Igwe is here also. So you can see mommy opening up the net. Don't open it too much, just open it small. Cool. So guys, you can see how fresh they are. So today we're going to be making use of this ewedu. You want to cut it? This place is still even free, Igwe.
Yeah.
So we are removing from the roots because there are so many of them and the space is tight. This one is okay. But I want to free this place. Like this long one. This place is too tight. It cannot be more, it cannot spoil now. It's just that we need to remove some. There are some I want to also keep for another style. And I want to free this Yanokwaja. It's too choked. Take. I want to free this here. Okay. So we'll make another video about this one. Yeah. I'm just trying to see that this place is a bit free.
Guys, see
Our
pepper.
This one is okay. So guys, you can see this is still the Yanokwaja.
It's like ugu.
This one is like ugu. Those of us, there's an English name, but I can't really recall.
That is
I need to remove.
you have bring another one down.
Yeah. One of these ones that have grown tall.
You know why? So
Okay, so guys,
tomorrow we'll cut another one.
okay, so we can cut another one tomorrow to be fresh. So this one we're going to finish this completely.
So guys, look at my wedu, so fresh.
Oh, let's see the fish. My fishes, they are getting big. Can you see that properly? Wait, let them see. Let me zoom in. The reflection is not letting them see.
They are already getting big.
They are, and these fish, I think they are barely 3 months or so, or 2 months. Look at all of them. So, see the turkey. The chickens, then they are inside there. Let's see if you can see them. Let me show you the chickens. I can't somehow. Yes, ma'am. Okay, no problem. So guys, this chicken is so naughty. So guys, you can see them. I see all of them. They have finished their food. We'll add more for them now. We'll put some more for them. So guys, the main thing is we've harvested our ewedu. You can see how fresh it is. So guys, so this is all of them. So I had to bring them out because of sun. So they'll take some sun or add some water. Don't like to train chicken in a way like they just be inside the cage just like that, just like that. I like them to come out, feel natural and all that also. Give them the necessary medication and all of those things. So they'll have a organic feel as well. So that's Igwe. You can see them. They're with me. I have sent them back here, pursue them back here. So since we are done here, I'm going to cover these ones up, cover them back up, so that they don't disturb these ones. You can see this tomato is already big. There's water leaf there. I don't know why that was his house not started coming out. I'm wondering what's really going on. This is a weed, I believe so. I was looking at it from the scratch. Some of them are not really going to come out, so most of the time I just take them off, just like that. So that's it on harvesting our ewedu. Don't really know what we'll call this video. It's just a quick time out with the Anthony's family, harvesting ewedu. So we're gonna do an official harvesting video. Alright guys, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and share. Subscribe if you love this family. And there are also so many other amazing videos you can check out. We got varieties, we are the Anthony's, so gotta make sure we got specials for everybody. So you can see I'm still trying to fix this. You see there's yam inside that place. So a lot of things. I gotta put this, I have to cover it properly, otherwise. Oh, this is, I was thinking this was shoko. Can you imagine? This is not even, this is weed. We cover all these things because of goats. There are some annoying goats around this area. So we gotta do covering properly. Otherwise the goats will challenge us and say, why didn't we cover it? You understand what I mean? So here I'll clear up all of these ones. This place is still free. I think I'll still come and do some things here. Trying to see if that looks like it's gonna grow. I'll pour some water later in the day. This grass is much, it's too big. Imagine. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching. You can see the fishes. Let me remove this guy. I think you should see from this side. The reflection is not much from here.
You can put together. I'll see.
No, you can see it like this. See, they are growing real big, really big. Let me zoom in. You can see them.
They're doing bulb.
So let's try to see if we take them to where.
See that fast. These chickens.
Okay. Alright, guys, that's it. Alright, guys, so you can see we're done here. The only thing that's left, so I'm gonna take these chickens back in after taking some sun, and we'll go do the cookings. So maybe we'll make a video for the cooking. I don't know. Put in the comment section if you want to see that, because it's a mixture. I don't think I've seen it on YouTube, but watch out for that video. So we'll see you guys. Bye bye. Igwe.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Where's Izzy?
It's WE6.